Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Code Veda. Today, we're diving into an essential concept for every backend developer: rate limiting in Node.js. If you're building APIs, this is a must-know skill to protect your application from abuse and manage traffic effectively. Rate limiting helps prevent excessive API calls, protects against brute force attacks, and ensures fair usage of resources. It's a critical tool for creating scalable and secure systems. We'll cover what rate limiting is, how to implement it in Node.js using popular libraries, and even how to customize it for advanced use cases. Rate limiting is the process of restricting the number of requests a user or client can make to a server within a specific time frame. For instance, a login API may allow only 5 attempts per minute to prevent brute force attacks. Or, a free tier API might limit requests to 100 per day to ensure fair usage. Let's dive into implementing rate limiting in a Node.js application using VS Code. We'll create a simple setup to understand how express rate limit works and how it can be configured to protect your APIs effectively. Start by creating a new folder for your project. You can name it something like rate limiting demo. Run the following command to initialize a new Node.js project and generate a package.json file. Install Express, a lightweight web framework for Node.js, and Express Rate Limit, a popular middleware for rate limiting. Create a new file named app.js where we'll write our application code. Open app.js in VS Code and require the necessary modules. Const express equals require, express. Const rate limit equals require, express rate limit. Initialize the express application and define the port where it will run. Const app equals express. Const port equals 3000. Listen on the defined port and log a message when the server is running. App listen, port, equals. Console.log, server is running on http://localhost, $, Use rate limit to define the rate limiting rules. Window MS specifies the time frame for rate limiting in milliseconds. Max defines the maximum number of requests allowed from a single IP within the specified time frame. Const limiter equals rate limit. Window MS 1/60/1000 / 1 minute. Max 10 / limit each IP to 10 requests per window MS. Message: too many requests from this IP, please try again later. Add the rate limiter as a global middleware to apply it to all routes. App use, limiter. Add a basic route to test rate limiting. Appget /req res equals res.send, welcome to the rate limited API. Now, run the application, Node app.js. Open your browser or use a tool like Postman to send requests to http://localhost 3000. Initially, you'll receive a successful response. After sending more than 10 requests within a minute, the server will respond with the error message. Too many requests from this IP, please try again later. Window MS defines the time frame for rate limiting in milliseconds. In our example, it's set to 1/60/1000, which means 1 minute. Max specifies the maximum number of requests allowed within the time frame. Here, it's set to 10. Message customizes the error message sent to clients when the rate limit is exceeded. What's next? This is just the beginning. You can apply rate limiting to specific routes only. Use dynamic rate limits based on user roles or API keys. Integrate Redis for centralized rate limiting in distributed systems. Summary: in this tutorial, we've learned how to set up a Node.js project in VS Code and implement rate limiting using the Express Rate Limit middleware. This is a powerful way to safeguard your APIs from abuse and ensure fair usage. If you found this guide helpful, let me know if you'd like to explore advanced topics like dynamic rate limiting or Redis integration. Try implementing this in your projects and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.